In this video I will show you how to install Chat GPT Widget on HMD XR21. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open and then click got it and click on this button to skip introduction, then click not now and click open permission. Now click on AI assistant and click here to allow this app to display over other apps, then you can go back and go back again. Now you can click start, and as you can see right here there is my Chat GPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.